Today we are going to draw a haystack and a fence. Here's the basic little drawing. We need to add up to all the sceneries. So if we know that how to draw it, it will be very easy for us to add on this picture to the most of our drawings. So let's learn the basics of these things. So usually the haystacks, when we make it a large amount, then it looks like the U shape, the alphabetic letter U. So it's like the U upside down. So it looks like this, looks like this. We can put little details from the top like this. Sometimes there's a top a bamboo stick or something to tie it up so that it doesn't fall, and the details from the top we can see like this in many sceneries. Lots of lines we can draw here to make the drawing looks really nice. So it comes up to the bottom. Here there will be a ground. Usually it's positioned over the ground, on the ground. Okay, sometimes there is a fence adjacent to this haystack. We can draw the fence. Usually the fence are also made of bamboo. So we can draw it like this. Draw it like this. Let's make the bottom little darker too, to clearly defines the shape, and the side panel, because the shades here are darker too. Let's put some shades from this side panel. All right. Few parts of the haystack would be little more darker, and few parts will be little lighter than the other parts. That's how it looks visually pleasant. If we like, we can put the ground looks like this, because the color drawing makes it looks more pleasant. Okay, and the haystacks, it looks like little yellow like this. All right, so this is the basic drawing we need to add up in most of our sceneries. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.